Welcome back here at Bart's Fish Tales. Hope you're doing well and safe. And today we're going to make a delicious fresh ceviche based on watermelon and crab meat. So first step, cut the watermelon. So I cut these slices of watermelon into cubes. So first get rid of the skin. So I'm using half of a small watermelon for 2 persons. Cubes of around 1-2 centimeters. And I add some salt to release the juice out of the watermelon. Okay, so while I'm prepping the other ingredients, I leave this aside. 2 small shallots, or 1 big one. I chop it really fine. 1 jalapeno. Cut it in half, take out the seeds, and cut it really fine. So I add these to a bowl. Shallot, some spiciness, jalapeno, add some salt, and now the juice of 2 limes. Then, like 4 or 5 stalks of coriander, take off the leaves, chop it fine. Okay, so I mix this well. And what I'm going to do now, so actually this is the base, this is a tiger milk, how they call it in Peru, South America. And actually what we will do, we will add the cubes of watermelon with this tiger milk. And well, first the flavor of this tiger milk will infuse into the watermelon. And actually also because of the acidity, it will more or less cook the watermelon. So actually this is a veggie ceviche, and then we will add the crab, the seafood, at the last moment. Okay, so add these watermelon cubes into a fresh bowl. And then we add these marinade. With the watermelon. Crab meat. Okay, so I add like 50 grams of crab meat. Well, you could use any crab like king crab, snow crab, blue crab, even lobster. So I add like 50 grams per person to the ceviche. So I leave it like this for 5 minutes so the watermelon gets really well infused. Time to plate up. The watermelon with the crab. And to finish off, some coriander leaves. Time for a taste. Watermelon, a bit of crab. This is super delicious. It's this bit of sourness on top of, or well, infused into the watermelon. Then we have the sweetness of the crab, the delicious coriander. It's a great starter, a great salad, easy to make. Well guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the box below. Take care, be safe, see you soon. Bye bye.